Hi, boys and girls. We're starting off a new week, and y'all are doing a great job. This week we have a story called Mole and the Baby Bird. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you do too. This week we're going to be looking at vowel patterns, OW and OU. We have already learned that OW, especially at the back of the word, says O, like in snow. OW also says owl, as in the word owl. Remember, we said that is the hurt sound. If you get hurt, you say ow. OU can sometimes say oo, as in soup. Most of the time, OU says owl, like in mouse, and it sometimes says O, like in shoulder. So let's practice some of these with Miss Lucy. The first one is show, how, you, out, shoulder. One more time. Show, how, you, out, shoulder. Great job. See if you can help me read these sentences. Please show me how to play. Will you take me out for dinner? Martin hurt his shoulder when he fell. Great job. Okay, these are our high frequency words that often we cannot sound out, so we need to practice. The first one is loved. It is in the past tense because it has ed on the end. Would, should, door. This is tricky. We have the sound in two different ways, OO and OU. Let's try them again. Loved, would, should, door. Let's read these together. Sam loved sitting on the brown boulder. A boulder is a big rock. Should I throw that wood on the fire? Can you close that door? Okay, we're going to talk a little bit more about syllables. If you remember, in class, we clapped syllables. Syllables are parts of words. We also tried putting the back of your hand under your chin. As you say the word, when your chin drops, that is where the new syllable begins. So try that with me. Put your hand, the back of your hand under your chin. Tiger. You can hear that the word broke after the I in tiger. And because the consonant did not go on the first syllable, that vowel says its name. It will say I, tiger. Let's look at the word lemon. Put your hand under your chin. Lemon. You can hear that the word breaks after the M. When the consonant goes with the vowel in the first syllable, the vowel does not say its name. It says its short sound. E says E. Lemon. That's pretty tricky, so we're going to practice some more. Try these with Miss Lucy. Baby. Never. Open. Finish. Later. Did you put your hand under your chin so that you could feel when the syllable begins? Great. Okay, help me read these sentences. The baby is sleeping. Never open that gate when our dog is near. You can finish reading that book later. Now, I'm going to take just a minute to go over these 3 words. Let's see if you can help me decide where the first and second syllable would be. Baby. I heard the break right here. The consonant was on the second syllable, so the A will say its name. Baby. You can see there's a consonant, vowel, consonant. Here we see it again. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Try this one with me. Cab in. We heard the break right here. This would be syllable 1, syllable 2. We're looking at the first vowel. Because the consonant stayed with the vowel in the first syllable, it does not say its name. It says ah. Let's do one more. Tulip. Did you hear it break here? Tulip. Since the consonant went to the second syllable, it did not stay with the vowel, we know that the U will say its name. Tulip. Great job. The more that you practice these, the better you'll get. In the story, Mole and the Baby Bird, we find that it is an animal fantasy. The genre is animal fantasy again. The animal characters talk and act like people. This next story is about a mole who finds and takes care of a baby bird. It is a fantasy because we know that this cannot really happen. Be sure that you read Mole and the Baby Bird on Pearson Realize. Have fun reading.